iOS 18. Here's how to schedule messages to send later. Apple introduced several top-tier upgrades to its messaging app, iMessage, with iOS 18, including the ability to schedule messages to send later, which was first launched for the Mail app with iOS 16. This new update also allows the use of any emoji for tapbacks and new text effects, and also added the RCS messaging feature on iPhones. Apparently, the feature is hidden in the app settings. Therefore, GadInsider has a step-by-step guide to using Send Later on your iPhone. Firstly, ensure you're running the iOS 18 on your iPhone. Now, open the Apple Messages app to select an existing text. You can also create a new text. Compose your message, then tap the plus icon present on the left side of the text before hitting the send button. Click on Tap More or swipe down and then choose Send Later. Select a date and time to schedule your message, then tap the Send button to schedule the message. Once the message is scheduled, it'll appear in a thread with a dotted line bubble. However, you can also tap Edit if you want to make changes to the scheduled date or time, want to send it now, or delete the scheduled message. Notably, the Send Later feature only works with iMessage and not SMS text.